kung sino kayo, what would that special award be? And explain why. Let's start with, sige, with 41. And then after you answer, you can go back to your position. Yun na lang, tapos magsama-sama sa...
Yes, hello, good evening to everyone. So once again, my name is Chanel Alanan. And the question goes like, I will answer it like Miss Personality. I think when you join in different kind of pageant, you must have a unique personality. You have the strong personality for you to showcase who you are. If you really wanted to win in different kind of pageant or competition, you need to show something that inside of you, something that is different. And I think that is the award that I wanted to have, and that is a Miss Personality. Thank you.
Kinabahan ako. Anyway, for me, I would take the award for most passionate. I've been bullied for my size and then for being gay as well. And this story of me doing this journey with you guys will actually inspire a lot of plus size guys and girls out there and all of the LGBT as well. I can everyone everywhere. So, yes, from being bullied, from being super shy, I was really having anxiety attacks when I go out. Now, I've been on a radio announcer, I've been a host, I've been endorser of clothes and a lot of things as well because I have my family, I have my plus size family out there who's actually always there for me. So, if I can inspire a lot of people with my passion, then I'll take that award even if I don't win any competition. As long as I inspire a lot of people, that would be good enough for me.
Hi everyone, I hope you remember my name, Cutie, as the name suggests, the face I brings. So if I will be given a special award, it would be Miss Presence. Because I believe that my presence is as important as your presence here tonight. Because whenever I enter a room, I always make sure that my presence is felt and always, because I am a caring person, so presence, living my presence here with you tonight, and I hope you all remember that tonight. Thank you.
For me, I don't think if I can consider this a special reward, but I just want to hear from people that praise like, wow, she has that confidence. Because growing up, I've been closeted my whole life. So I've been out when I like turned 18. So like fashion became one of like my armor for everyday life. And that's when I realized that we don't need to think what other people has to say, or we shouldn't mind anything that people told us who we are. We should just accept who we are and show that we have a confidence and beauty with it. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. If I'll be given the chance to receive an award, I would like to have an award which is Miss Congeniality. Why Miss Congeniality? Because a lot of people misunderstood my look because some people says I look mataray, I look maldita, but when you know me deeper, I'm a kind person, I'm a very friendly person, and I just want to inculcate to the mind of the other people that your look doesn't define you. You have to know who's the person you're talking with in order for you to be friends with them. And I think that would be the award that I want to receive to erase the misconception of other people, to be Miss Congeniality. Thank you, good evening.
Hello. Simple lang po yung question sagot niyo sa akin. I think for me is friendship po. Because we had this story since I went to senior high school this year, 2022 and 2023. Actually, I'm independent person po. So, kumakain po ako sa canteen na ako lang isa, minsan sa CR po. So, as of now, nandito po ako sa inyong harapan. And also sa mga kandidata po or mga candidate po, I want to know each other people na magkaroon din po ako panibagong kaibigan dito. It's all. Thank you.
Hello and good day everyone. For me, the award that I want to have is same as you after. Is being a most congeniality. It's because I want to prove that we are gays and we're not just talented, we're very friendly and we want connections. And we want to bond new relationship from the other people. And dapat, hindi lang tayo talented, hindi lang dapat magaling din tayo makisalamuha sa ibang tao. And dapat, hindi lang dapat tayo magaling lang mag-model. It's all about character, building our own version of ourselves, and being true and be proud of who we are, just like me, slay gay all day.
Hello. For me, maybe is Miss Photogenic. Not just because being my confident in this competition, but to prove everyone that I'm not just a pretty face, but I have a lot that I can do. Thank you.
For me po, if there is one award that I want to receive, that would be siguro po most confident. Growing up as a transgender, I experienced a lot of discrimination and unequal treatment, lalo na sa modeling industry. And ngayon po, nandito po ako ngayon sa harapan yung lahat na pinapakita ko na regardless of your shape, your size, your color, or your gender identity, you can be whoever you want as long as you believe in yourself. Yun lang po. Thank you.
I think my answer will gonna be different and unique. I think I would love to get the Miss Role Model because, to be honest, I'm the first transgender woman as a teacher, as a special education teacher in the Department of Education, which I think if you want me to be a model, I think you have to be witty and brains, and also the most important is the attitude. Thank you.
Ayun, grabe yung mga question. Nabunot lang ako dito. Charing lang. So, to answer that question, for me, okay lang po mag-Tagalog. Siguro, pipiliin ko po is best in creative. Why? Since nandito tayo sa fashion industry and modeling industry, we should need to be creative at all times. Siyempre, may mga challenges and na binibigay sa atin na dapat gawin natin as a model. And also, ayun nga, being creative. Kumbaga, on how to express ourselves and showcase our face scars. And ayun, syempre, may mga challenges din na tayo rin mismo yung gumagawa ng ating mga sariling mga costume and yung mga iraramp natin. Kumbaga iaalin tulad ko yung sarili ko sa isang costume na ginagawa or sa isang couture. Syempre, kapag once na gumagawa tayo ng isang costume or isang damit, kumbaga ini-inspire natin yung sarili natin na bakit ba natin ginagawa yung ganitong klaseng damit? What inspires you? And syempre, kumbaga parang ayun yung nagiging connections mo dun sa couture o dun sa kulot na ginagawa mo to express yourself and showcase. Yun lang.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name again is Mel. So if I'm going to be choosing an award, I'll be choosing, of course, the crown. Why not choose the crown? So there's a reason behind why I'm going to choose the crown. I wanted to win, not because just of being selfish or just because I really wanna win. I wanted to have to develop or give to charities because if you guys don't know, I am also a contender in Drag Race in our company. So I have a charity there which is called Gawad Kalinga or Baseco Compound, where we help those for people who lives near Pasig River because there's a lot of flooding and storms that could affect those people in the area. So it could be an opportunity to help those people that is in need. Thank you.
everyone. If I'm going to choose one award that rely to me, I think it's the start of the night. Because I want, growing up, that a child that unseen of everyone, I should able to grow and to be productive as getting older, to be the light of everyone and to see as a star.